That's a mummy. I promised a few people a quick tutorial on how I do mummies. It's very fast. It's designed for ease of use and looking good to the eye. It's an underlayer. I would do EVA foam gauntlets above, maybe an EVA foam collar. This is part of a mummy costume. This is not an entire mummy costume. I have Rob, who is here assisting me as a model, and Cheney, who is assisting in just being ornery and not leaving Rob alone. So step one, give me one of your hands. We're just going to cut a little thumb hole in here. There's thumb through there. That is going to locate down cut a real tiny hole because this stuff is stretchy. This is the equivalent of like an Under Armour shirt. Can you square onto the camera? You're
yes.
A little weird sideways.
Okay.
I do have some foam, in case you're wondering what's going on weird with Rob here. We just put some foam in there so no one can tell his religion.
That's right.
Electrical tape. I'm going to fold over a tag end of electrical tape. I'm just going to do this arm first. You do not tightly wind the electrical tape. You just put it on. Press it down, but I don't want to be in any danger at all of cutting off Rob's circulation. If there's some wrinkling or twisting in the fabric, that's pretty fine. That's not a big deal. And I don't need these to be perfect. I need these to give an idea. These don't have to be, I'm not setting these up exactly like I would see bandages on a mummy, because these are not the bandages. This is a stencil that we're going to paint the bandages. This end, I'm going to tag. And I want to start my second roll of tape. I'm going to start it. I have to remember which one I did first. So the first one I did is going to be the lowest. I'm going to do 3 on the arm, and you'll see how this looks. There's no pressure on this on his skin. Is that a fair statement?
No pressure.
I pull it out, and then I wrap it around. I am not wrapping it around tight. The last thing you want to do is cut off circulation. That should be your first concern. Every time I stop the tape, I fold it over. I am trying to hit areas that the other tape missed, and I'm trying to overlap some. I want there to be some crisscross. I don't want it to be just tape on top of tape. Now is where the fun begins. I'm going to use October Brown spray paint, and then I'm going to use Glossy Woodtone spray paint. You can cover your arm or body or whatever in saran wrap before you do this. Or you can just wash it off later, which is what I have chosen for Rob to do.
Oddly enough, second time I've done this in the past 2 weeks.
Right. Lift that arm up for me. Watch when you're spraying, you're not spraying into someone's eyes. Okay, put your arm down. Now, remember the first one that I did was here. This is the last one that I did. So now I take this one off. The darkest one that I did will be, well, the darkest spots will be the things that were not taped. But now I'm switching up, and I'm using a different spray paint. Now I'm using Glossy Woodtone. This is a real light, almost papyrus color on this fabric. Okay, put your arm down. And now I do my second piece of tape. Now I hit this again with the Glossy Woodtone. Okay, put that arm down. Okay, straighten out that arm. Let me hit that one more time with the Glossy Woodtone. Raise your arm up. Okay, put your arm down. All right, that is a mummy wrap sleeve. I'm going to knock out the whole rest of this costume real quick, and we will do that, and we'll just speed it up. You're done. Hop on down. Okay, so this is a 20-minute mummy right here. Back up a little bit. Let him see the whole body. Go a little further back. He looks like he is wrapped from head to toe, and he is not wrapped at all. So, I mean, over this, you know, I might do a nice collar piece right here. I would certainly do bracers out of EVA foam, you know, make them look gold and put some jewels and scarabs on them. I might do greaves. I would definitely do a belt and a loincloth. So this is an underlayer for that costume. On those pieces, like on the collar, you can have little shreds of muslin hanging down to add a 3D effect over this. This is part of a whole, but in general, that's not bad. So give them another little 360. That's a mummy. Go make stuff.